I'm Shreya. So this is my headway for the months to come, my plans and strategies. Just to give you a quick preview of what I have done as compared to my last year, this is the number. 2013 half year, my billing was 20 crores, against which till date July I have done 15.6 crores. So half yearly target is like 23 crores, against which I am at 15 crores. So my yet to achieve target is 7.5 crore for the next 2 months. So now remaining target of H1 is 7.5 crore. What I see that, with the current offerings and plannings and proposals being offered to my set of clients, I expect that August and September will give me at least 5.5 crore. So I see a deficit of around 2 crores. Now this deficit of 2 crores, how I plan to, cover up? This is my strategy. What I have done is I have a mix of categories which I have analyzed as to how my categories have performed this year against my last year. So if you see consumer durable and mobile handset, these are two categories which contributes to like more than 50% of my total revenue. Consumer durable last year was more than 8 crores and mobile handset was around 7.2 crores. Now this year there is a major shortfall in these two categories. The reason for these shortfall is that last year we had some major launches in mobile handsets and also in consumer durable segment. Now I could foresee that if there has been launches last year, this year would not give me that kind of growth which I have had or which I have experienced last year. So I have had a backup plan. If you see my other categories, there have been a little, almost some are at par. Some have given me a fantabulous growth this year like a mobile service provider. So my next plan is that I have shortlisted my categories into these categories where I see that I will focus and generate some extra revenues which will cover my deficit from consumer durable and mobile handsets. These are the categories which I have shortlisted. If you see FMCG has given me a growth over last year, not a very high growth, but then this is a growing category which I expect will give me more growth in the months to come. Banking and finance has been a downfall, but there is again a lot of scope in banking and finance, and we have a lot of, we have designed few, options of advertising for this category, which I will share in my later presentation. Apparel is one category which has grown. Liquor is almost equal. So mobile service provider has grown exceptionally well this year. Hospitality, luxury watches and exhibitions. These are three new categories which we have developed this year, which were not there last year. So this is my plan of action for these categories. FMCG is one category which is growing and which I see a lot of potential. We have already proposed a lot of contextual integration for this category, specifically to a client Reckitt, wherein we have offered a lot of slugs in the middle of the news, which is like a content-based integration, and also series of advertorials where they can talk about their products, how they can for example Dettol. So they can do a lot of advertorials where they can talk about health, hygiene, germ protection. Second is tires and lubricants. This is one category where I have targeted myself to grow by way of planning special features. This category has a lot of clients which are very, very small in nature in terms of their advertising budgets. So I have planned some special features like a road safety feature in monsoon, which I have already proposed to my tire clients and lubricant clients, which will enable them to experience Jagran at a investment which is not very high and can fit into their budgets. Liquor is another category where we have successfully been generating revenues and which are exclusive to Jagran. How I have done this is by giving options of advertising in supplements which have made access to Jagran open. Sure. So this I intend to continue. Then mobile service provider, again I have planned a lot of print-centric innovations because I see there are a lot of new launches, new communications that they want to communicate. So I have done a lot of print innovations. Next is apparel. Again, I have, we have offered a lot of advertorials, features and supplements which would help build their image further. New categories. I have been focusing on new categories like hospitality, luxury watches, exhibitions. This we have designed giving them a need-based solution because again, they are like not very high on budgets. So need-based solutions that are easy on their pockets. Consumer durable, mobile handset. This is one category where what I have done is I have given them a holistic plan because I know with these kind of categories, I have to incorporate print with other verticals if I want to have a growth. So these categories, we have been working on an exhaustive plan for festive, which I have proposed that it will start from August with smaller formats. Yeah, I'm almost done. Small formats, move to September with large formats, where they can exploit a pre-festive offer, and then end in October with more frequency and visibility through jackets and full pages. So this is one golden rule which I feel I have been following and I will follow. One is that I want to add Nayi Duniya to all possible packages that will give that extra edge. Second is that I want to exploit pre-festive offer to the maximum, particularly for smaller advertisers, because these are investments at lower cost. Then I want to extract maximum share from the advertiser's budget during the festive. And I feel that, you know, in the end, all these plans and strategies are futile if we do not follow systems and discipline. We need to keep a close check on our clients' behavior. We need to keep a close, check on strict follow-ups and our competition analysis and how our competition is behaving.